Let's talk about one of the biggest hidden costs in your SAP estate, maintenance and support. SAP charges roughly 22% of your license value every single year just to keep the lights on. Think about that. If you bought $10 million worth of licenses years ago, you're paying over $2 million annually, even if half those licenses are shelfware. So here's the question. Are you getting value for that spend or just writing SAP a blank check? The truth is, most companies aren't using all the support they're paying for, and SAP knows it. That's why maintenance fees are such a predictable cash cow for them. But you have options. You can benchmark your current support bill against peers and push back on annual uplifts. You can clean up unused licenses so you're not paying support on dead weight. And yes, you can even consider third-party support, which often cuts your run rate costs by 50% while buying you time to plan your SAP roadmap on your terms. The bottom line? Don't let SAP's 22% maintenance tax eat your budget. Take control, optimize, and negotiate. Contact us if you want to explore how to cut your SAP support costs without sacrificing stability.